Good afternoon or morning to man, whatever time you're watching this video. Happy Friday, happy Flower Friday. I haven't got my flower in my hair, but I've got some flowers on my jacket here on my cardigan. Some lovely autumn flowers. I think I'll draw a flower because it is Flower Friday, so I'll draw a flower for you just so you can see. Flower Friday. I love flowers. Have you drawn any flowers today? Or found any in your garden? Ta-da! There's my flower. Put it in my hair. Now, I sent a recipe for making biscuits, and I said you can make bear biscuits, but I thought I could show you how to design your own bear biscuit. Now, all you need is a piece of paper. So imagine this is your paper, and you need some coloured pens. You could write at the top, my, M-Y spells my, bear biscuit. My bear biscuit. Or someone in your bubble could write it for you. Now, you've got this big space where you can design. Maybe we could look online for some ideas. So if you type into Google bear biscuits, which I'm doing now, bear biscuits, I'll have a little look for ideas. Aww, this is a nice one. They've used a chocolate button for the nose and smarty eyes. They've done different shaped circles as well for the ears and face. Can you see that? Let's try another one. Ooh, this one's got icing on. Maybe you could make some icing for the face and use jelly sweets. Awesome. I want to use the things which I like. So, of course, I'll do, can you see that? A round face, like that. A round big circle. I'll mould my biscuit dough. Then I'll make two little ears, like that. So big and small. Then I might put in the ears a jelly sweet of colours. So I might use red jelly sweet. So I'll colour this in. Ooh, mixed in with the black there. Oh well, that's okay. Right, the eyes. Two big goggly eyes. I think I'll use chocolate drops. You can get them in Countdown or Pack and Save or any supermarket really. Just chocolate drops. And then for the nose, what could I use for the nose? I could use icing, or I think banana would be nice because I like banana and it's healthy. So I'd slice a banana shape and put it on there. If you really want to, you could label your bear biscuit design by drawing arrows. So here, you can put a sweet. Now you call them lollies in New Zealand, or sweet, but I'm just going to say sweets. Sweets. And then the nose, a banana. Banana. And then the eyes, chocolate chips. So I'll put chocolate chips. Now, you don't have to label it, or if you want to draw an arrow and just hear the first sound, that is fine too. S-b-ch. Maybe someone in your bubble can help you. But spend lots of time designing and thinking about your biscuits and what you want to do. You can colour them in. And maybe this weekend or today you could bake your biscuits. Please show me a picture. I'd love to see. It would be brilliant. There's my design. Have a great time doing that. Have fun.